Hello my loves. Today is not about beauty, but we are talking about the Smart Company bread, which is a keto friendly bread. I ordered two because they had a deal where you buy one and the other one it's free, and also, I also got free shipping. I don't know if that's normal. Hello, hi. This is how it looks in the box. Okay, so here I have the two boxes. I ordered the plain hamburger bun, which is obviously the one that is without the sesame seeds, and obviously the sesame hamburger buns. These are both zero net carbs, which is awesome. So in the instructions it says that you should keep them frozen so they last longer. Okay, so here I have the sesame, the plain. They come like that and like this. I don't know if you'll be able to see, but they look like a little bit like when something is cold and has been under the heat for a long time, which is very strange. You know that little wet situation, like with vaporize is the word? I don't know. But yes, they look fine to me. They just had that, so I don't know if that means something. There's sesame hamburger buns. They look good. Burger. Ooh. Okay, maybe it doesn't want to fall. I don't know if you guys can see. So this is what I added to my hamburger. I just added cheese and avocado, and the bun has mayo. I will add a little bit of ketchup, and that's it. Let's see how it tastes. Whoa! I think it tastes just like bread. Honestly, wow, I cannot believe this is one net carb. Zero net carbs. Well, the first impression, cannot believe this is zero net carbs. It tastes just like bread. Is a great size, and honestly, I don't have anything bad to say about it. The only thing is that it's almost $10 for 6 servings, but if you take advantage of the coupons or discounts that they always promote on social media, I think it's fine. I'm so impressed. I recommend them. I think if you're in a low carb lifestyle or keto like me, you'll love them. So yes, those are my thoughts. One of the things that I noticed is that the shipping was really fast. Well, I think I didn't buy like expedited shipping or anything, and it arrived in 5 days, 6 days, which I think is pretty good considering the current situation, you know what I mean? So yes, my love, that's all for today's video. I hope you'll enjoy this video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe.